Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a Gantt chart from scratch in Smartsheet. If you're managing a project and want a clear visual timeline, this is one of the best tools out there. By the end of this video, you'll know how to transform your regular data into a dynamic Gantt chart that helps you track progress, manage deadlines, and keep everyone on your team in the loop. Alright, let's dive right in, but before we click anything, there's a really important detail to keep in mind. For Smartsheet to display your data as a Gantt chart, you need to make sure you have two specific types of columns in your sheet: a start date column and an end date or duration column. Without these, Smartsheet won't be able to plot your tasks along a timeline. So if you're setting up your sheet for the first time, double-check that you include those columns. For most projects, your start date tracks when a task begins, and the end date or duration tells Smartsheet when it should finish. Think of it like booking a hotel stay. You need a check-in and a check-out date so the reservation makes sense. Now let's move on. In this example, we already have some data in our sheet. Maybe you've entered tasks like designing a logo, writing content, or launching a product. Whatever your project is, you'll see all those details lined up row by row. If you haven't added your data yet, take a moment to list out your tasks and fill in those date columns. Don't worry if your schedule isn't perfect right away. You can always adjust dates later as your project evolves. Next, to turn this list of tasks into a Gantt chart, look up at the top of your screen and find the navigation bar or menu. You'll see a button labeled Grid. This is Smartsheet's default view, showing your project like a spreadsheet. Go ahead and click on Grid. This is your starting point every time you want to switch views or make changes. From here, you'll notice there are multiple view options. You're looking for Gantt chart. Select it, and just like that, Smartsheet transforms your project data into a visual timeline. Each task stretches across the calendar based on its start and end dates. This view is incredibly powerful. You can see overlapping deadlines, project phases, and even spot any potential bottlenecks. If you're used to seeing your to-do list in a simple table, the Gantt chart can feel like suddenly seeing the big picture. It's almost like turning a list of ingredients into a recipe that's ready to cook. And truly, that's all there is to it. Once you're in Gantt view, you can keep updating your tasks, adjust the bars by dragging them around for new dates, and even add dependencies between tasks. If you don't see your tasks mapped out as expected, double-check those start and end date columns. Sometimes a typo or missing date can throw things off. No worries if it doesn't look perfect on your first try. Smartsheet makes it easy to tweak and refine your plan. That wraps up our quick tutorial on how to create a Gantt chart in Smartsheet from scratch. I hope this helps you visualize your projects more effectively and stay organized as you move forward. If you learned something new, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, just drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a handy tip or tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.